In the serene community of Medical Lake, Washington, when electrical issues arise, trust our dependable team of electricians to provide swift and reliable solutions. Our Medical Lake electricians understand the importance of keeping your home or business powered safely and efficiently. Electrical problems can disrupt your daily routine and pose safety risks. That's why our skilled electricians are available 24/7 to address any issue promptly and effectively. Whether it's a sudden outage, faulty wiring, or the need for new installations, we're prepared to tackle your electrical needs with professionalism and expertise. At Medical Lake Electric, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're committed to delivering exceptional service with a focus on efficiency and attention to detail, from diagnostics and repairs to upgrades and installations. Our goal is to ensure that your electrical systems operate seamlessly and reliably. When you require dependable electrical repair and installation services in Medical Lake, Washington, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Call below number and let our team of skilled electricians provide you with the peace of mind you deserve, knowing that your electrical needs are in capable hands.